Hello, this is an advanced Etabs model that I have been elaborating since yesterday. Here we see the structure that has 7 levels, okay, 7 levels with slabs in 1 and 2 directions that is over and very supports, and we see 3 frames of columns and beam, and I introduced some walls, masonry walls, masonry wall 1, 2, 3, and 4, and the other walls, these are with concrete, reinforced concrete. In this site will be ubicated the elevators, 2 elevators. Here will be the stairs, okay, the stairs, okay, and the other elements, the dimensions, will see it in these options and these windows. Selecting this option, okay, maybe moverla. These options, vamos a guardar, save the okay. Here we can see that the dimensions of all elements, columns. I have rectangular columns like this, circular columns like this, okay, these 8, and columns type T like this in this corner. You can see it. This corner has T columns, okay. Okay, here we see the direction of the slabs, okay. The direction of the slabs. Let's see it here, okay. I have slabs in 2 directions, okay. We see the X, okay, slabs in 2 directions, okay. I already introduced the seismic loads with the static method. I know that I have to analyze this type of building with the dynamic method because it's an irregular building. But in the first time I introduced the seismic load by static method. Here in this menu, define, I look for this option, load patterns. I can see all the pattern loads that I introduce like this, okay. The type load, dead load, live load, seismic load. And in the first time I introduced 4 patterns of seismic load in both directions: seismic in direction, X direction, and in the orthogonal direction. For example, we can see this load SEX1. Here in modify lateral loads, I introduce the magnitude of lateral force Fx and the torsional moment, this column, that is the moment around the center of rigidity. And this is the coordinate of the center of shear that I have calculated. I have calculated using the equations that is in the code NTZ 2023 of Mexico. Okay, this eccentricity can change in each patterns of loads. I calculated this eccentricity using an Excel page like this. Okay, Excel. Okay, here we see the eccentricity for each pattern